Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. The importance of a liver detox diet. The liver is a very crucial organ in the body. Its primary task is the elimination of wastes and toxins from the body. If your diet lacks in nutritional value, the liver will have problems eliminating them. For this reason, it is very important that you have a liver detox diet. There are different sources of toxins. Mostly, they come from the food we consume, from the water that we drink, the air, from our own body and the environment, and it is the liver's job to wash away all of the toxins that we get from them. The liver detoxifies in 3 ways: blood filtration, neutralization of fats and cholesterol, and breaking down of toxins with enzymes. The breaking down of enzymes is a 2-step process called the Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification. To improve the function of the liver, one of the best ways is to go on a liver detox diet. In a liver detox diet, one must consume fresh fruits and vegetables abundantly to give the body all of the necessary nutrients. There are several things that you can try for your liver detox diet, such as the following. High fiber diet. Intake of foods high in fiber is a good liver detox diet. Fiber basically sticks to the bile in the intestines, which aids in the elimination of toxins through the bowels. Consume high nutrition foods. Eating foods rich in antioxidants is also necessary in a liver detox diet. Foods rich in vitamin C, vitamin E and beta-carotene are good sources of antioxidants, while eating foods high in B vitamins, calcium and trace minerals help protect the liver against damages. Intake of B vitamins. Adequate intake of foods rich in B vitamins like methionine, betaine, choline, vitamin B6, vitamin B12 and folic acid help decongest the liver. It also helps improve liver function and fat neutralization. Fasting. Fasting can rapidly increase waste elimination as well as enhance the body's natural healing process. However, not everyone can go fasting. It is important to talk to a doctor about this for your safety. High fiber diet involves intake of fruits and vegetables. Foods high in vitamin C and E contain antioxidants needed to treat and protect a damaged liver. When the liver is overworked due to alcohol consumption and toxins, B vitamins are depleted. It is important to replenish it by eating plant-based foods. The following are good sources of vitamin C, E and B vitamins. Parsley, cauliflower, cabbage, strawberries, asparagus, mangoes, tomatoes, peanuts, sesame seeds, egg yolks, garlic, onions, lettuce. Going on a liver detox diet is a great way to help you keep a healthy liver. To know more about it, it is best to consult your healthcare provider. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.